Hi guys, so this is rounding to significant figures. So a significant figure is the first non-zero digit in the number from left to right is the first significant figure. Then every digit after that is a significant figure. So the key thing to remember here when we're looking for significant figures is we're looking from left to right. So I'll often draw an arrow here when I'm showing you how to find significant figures in a number. So let's look from left to right across the first number. So in example 1, it's 73.1, and they're asking us to round to one significant figure. So I'm looking from left to right across the number. So the first number you come to when you look from left to right is the 7, obviously. So that makes the 7 the first significant figure because it's non-zero, because it's not a 0. So 73.1, so I'm going to draw a line down here then. I'm just using my general rules of rounding again. The 3 in this means that the 7 will stay the same, so it's just going to be 70.0, which is the same thing as 70, so that will just round to 70. The second one, I'm looking from left to right across the number again, but this time I'm asked to round it to 3 significant figures. So I'm looking for the first non-zero digit. Now if I'm looking from left to right across this number, the first digit I get is a 0. So this 0 here doesn't really count as a significant figure. So the first 5, that will be the first significant figure here because it's the first non-zero digit. The second significant figure is this 5 then, and then the third significant figure will be the 3. So the 3 is the third significant figure here, so I put a line down after it. And remember the rules again. If the number after the line is 5 or more, then the number before the line goes up by 1. If not, then the number before the line says the same. So this number after the line is actually 5 exactly. So that means that the 3 in front of the line will go up by 1. So it's going to turn into 0.554 because the 3 turns into the 4. So that's it, rounded to 3 significant figures. So here's 2 more questions if you want to just pause the video and try them. So always look from left to right across the number and then count from the first non-zero digit. So the first one anyway, 2 significant figures. So the first non-zero digit, or digit that's not 0 I get here, is a 9. So that's the first significant figure. So then the one after it, the 3, has to be the second significant figure. So my line will go down there after the 3. In this case, the number after the line is a 0. So therefore the number in front of the line is going to stay the same. So it's just going to be 9, 3. And every number after the line then becomes a 0. So 0, 0, 0. So 93,000 is my answer there. The second question, I'm asked to round to one significant figure. So remember the rules. It's the first non-zero digit is the first significant figure. So you'll see here the first digit is a 0. The second one is also a 0. So they don't count as significant figures. The first non-zero digit I get is the 5 here. So that's the first significant figure. And I'm asked to round to one significant figure. So my line will go in between the 5 and the 6. So it's after the 5. The 6 then after the line means that the 5 in front of the line will go up by 1. So that will become a 6. So 0.06 is my final answer.